Okay, guys, Nodepay claim goes live in the next few hours with listing coming on by 1 p.m. today. I will show you guys how to claim your Nodepay to any extent that you want. But before we start, I want you to know that every Friday I'm holding a class on my Telegram channel. In this class, we talk about crypto trends, airdrops that you should do that week, and also about crypto trading. Make sure to join my Telegram channel so that you can actually join the class. The second class starts today by 8 p.m. So try to join. Now, let's get started with Nodepay claim. Okay, guys, this is how to claim your Nodepay. First of all, claiming ends in 45 days. So make sure to claim this Nodepay within 45 days, because if you don't, they will collect it back from you. Now, first thing, go to the link on my description, claim.node. Make sure you're using that link to avoid getting scammed or avoid clicking on the wrong link. Now, click on connect and connect your Phantom wallet. Remember, there was a time we connected our Node wallet to Nodepay accounts. That's the same wallet you're going to connect to this particular website. Now click on connect wallet. So I've already connected my wallet and it's now showing me my allocation. Now claiming goes live by 9 a.m. So by 9 a.m. claim is start, but now that's why they are telling me that claims are not yet live. By 9 a.m. come back to claim your Nodepay. Claim it. First of all, you're going to have a minimum of 0.01 Solana to claim this particular coin. That is $1 to $2 or even $3 worth of Solana. So once you claim it, it will now arrive in your wallet. Then you can withdraw it to any exchange that you like. Trading starts by 1 p.m. today. The pre-market is already selling as $1. Let's hope that it maintains that particular price at listing. So I'll be giving out 5 persons guarantee to claim this thing. So try and join my community to be part of them if you don't have the Gassi. But if you have the Gassi, please don't bother. So I'll try to join the campaign that I'm going to host. It's going to be a very simple campaign. I'll be selecting 5 persons by 12 p.m. today to give them the gas fee. So guys, that is it for Nodepay. And lastly, remember that our class starts today by 8 p.m. And with that, I'll see you guys in my next video.